Namaste. I'm Ezechiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today, we're going to look at sacred objects, in particular, the sacred scroll. So, this sacred scroll is made of 5 characters. These 5 characters are written with an intention to bring light. So, saying one's sincere prayers in front of this sacred scroll allows a closer connection to Source. It allows one's intentions to reach deeper into the universe. And in doing so, not only communicates to the Creator, but it communicates to one's higher self. So, in order to keep the level of energy high and pure, we clean the altar. We should clean it on a daily basis. And I would like to, but I don't always have the time. So, when I do clean the altar, I make it special. I do it with an open heart, with no intentions, no desires, just the idea of doing service to raise the vibration, not only of my home, but of all those within the vicinity of the scroll. So, let us begin. First, we pay respect to God. I give respect to the founder of this particular practice, Joré. I'm going to wear gloves to increase my own purity, my intentions to not contaminate what I'm doing with my own negativity, my own latent negativity, my own naivete. I'm still learning, as we all are. So, I wear gloves. Give respect to God. Give respect to Meisha Sama, the founder. I think I'll do this part without the gloves. This is the Amatsu no Rito. Takamahara kamzu marimasu. Kamarugi kamarumi no mikoto mojite. Sume miyoya kamu izanagi no mikoto. Sakushi no himuka no tachihana no. Ado no ahagi hara ni. Misogi hara itamo toki ni narimaseru. Haraido no o kami tachi moro moro no magagoto sumi kegari o harai tamae kiyome tamae tomao su koto no yoshi o amatsukami kunitsukami yao yorozo no kami tachi tomoni ame no fuchi koma no mimi furi tatete Kikoshi meseto kashikomi mo maosu. Miroku o mikami mamori tamae sakihae tamae. Meroku o mikami mamori tamae sakiae tamae. Oshie ni oya nushi no kami mamori tamae sakiae tamae. Oshie ni oya nushi no kami mamori tamae sakiae tamae. Kanagara tamachi haemase. Kanagara tamachi haemase. All right. Now we'll put on some gloves. And this process really won't take too long. But what is key here is one's sonin, one's intention. And that is to remove the dust. If you will consider it in terms of physics, where you have negative ions and positive ions, and because of that attraction, dust, negative elements can linger when words are spoken, inappropriate actions, thoughts. It creates like a magnet. And so we clean the altar to minimize that. I use the first brush, moving clockwise. Second brush for Meishu Sama. The third brush is for the altar area. So I have a mat set here so that I can take these items. These are the prayers of people, many of you, my subscribers, individuals. I've written your names down, and I give these prayers daily. If you would like daily prayers, let me know. Now we'll return the prayers. Dust these items off. You don't have to touch them. Just get very close. Now, that is cleaning the altar. All of this could be done without gloves. It is important, I would say, to make sure that wherever you have your home altar, that it be a place of serenity, not a lot of clutter, garbage. It should not smell bad at all in your altar room. Even if it's next to where there is trash or there are smells that come in, you should make sure that you do your best to avoid clutter and negative elements in your altar room. And watch your mouth. Don't use bad language near your altar. Don't change that vibration. But in any case, this has been how to clean your altar. And if you have questions, comments, ideas, if you'd like to be on the prayer list, please let me know in the comments below. By all means, subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And like and share this video with others. You will help spread the light. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.